Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can crop images, photos, logos, etc. you insert into your documents on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step, you will need to launch the Goodnotes app, for example, on your desktop computer or laptop. Next, select the notebook in the top left corner you would like to work on. I will go with this example notebook here. Scroll down or browse through your notebook to navigate to the given page, and insert the image by clicking into this button in the top, and then locate the file on your device to insert it. Now, let me position that example logo here. Left click into it and you will see the cropping tool just to the left. That is going to redirect you to this rectangle crop tool here. So you may use either this one or this option, and then use these handles here to crop the area you would like to keep. We go with this one, confirm by clicking into done, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.